If you want to enhance your security on Venmo by removing old devices, follow these simple steps to ensure that your account is only accessible from devices you currently use. Step 1. Open the Venmo app. Launch the Venmo app on your mobile device. Make sure you are logged into your account to access the settings. Step 2. Go to Settings. Tap on the menu icon, usually represented by 3 horizontal lines or your profile picture, located in the upper left corner of the screen. From the menu, select Settings. Step 3. Access Security Settings. In the Settings menu, look for the Security option and tap on it. This section contains all the security-related features for your account. Step 4. Manage Devices. Within the Security settings, find the option labeled Manage Devices or Devices. Here, you will see a list of all devices that are currently linked to your Venmo account. Step 5. Remove old devices. Review the list and identify any devices you no longer use. Tap on the device you wish to remove and follow the prompts to unlink it from your account. By following these steps, you can easily remove old devices from your Venmo security settings, helping to keep your account secure. Regularly managing your devices is a good practice for maintaining your online security.